Well, here's a more interesting clock. This is a GE model. It's a kind of got this fancy stuff on top of it and on the sides. And there's the dial. It kind of looks like a dresser or something, I guess you could say. There's another one of these old 60s models or 70s models. Here's the information. Model 7334-3, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 2.5 watts. Listed GE, Ridgeport, Connecticut, made in the USA. Judging by its 60 hertz, not cycles, it's probably from the 70s. This will focus. Give it a second. Give it a second. Come on. I also did actually get a new surge protector. I got it for like $2 at Goodwill. I don't want to pay a whole bunch of money for something that might not work. But anyway, back to the clock. So there isn't much to this. It's a pretty basic little clock. It just looks cool. And turn that on. And we'll do this real quick. It's really quiet. That's for sure. It does have a lighted dial, which I'll show in a minute. After I get this to do its thing. Actually. That'll wake you up. It's pretty loud. Turn this lamp off. Might be able to see the lighted dial. There you go. Orange. Actually lights up a lot better than the other one I have. There you go. Very dark. But it does light up. So, there's a GE little clock from the 70s. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.